Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about how to reset your XKchrome controllers. Stay tuned. The process for resetting the controllers is very simple. The same process applies to both our full-size XKchrome controllers as well as our mini controllers that are included in our fiber optic kits. Resetting the controller will typically fix any connection issues that you've been having between the Bluetooth controller and your phone. We've also noticed that sometimes if you replace the battery on your vehicle, that you can sometimes have connection issues, and doing a hard reset on the controller will fix that. You may also need to reset the XKchrome controller if you bought a vehicle and it had an XKchrome system on it. There might be some settings that are stored on that controller that are prohibiting it from connecting to your device. So a reset will erase all of those settings and let you connect to it. We can also learn a lot by looking at the LED indicator on the controller. If it's completely off, there's no power going to the controller, or that controller is defective and you'll need to get a replacement. A slow breathe on the controller where it's pulsating in and out indicates that it's ready for a connection. A solid glow on the LED indicator means that it's connected to a device. So to reset the controller, all you need to do is grab your XKchrome controller, make sure it's powered on. There's an indicator LED right here behind the logo, and the touch button's right here. You can see that the LEDs are changing colors when I press that. All you need to do is hold it for 7 seconds and the LED indicator is going to go on full brightness. Your LEDs are going to turn off. When the logo flashes and the lights turn back on, you're done. That's all it takes. So the same process applies to our mini controllers. It's just a little hard press button instead of the touch button. So all you need to do, you've got your LED head right here. Hold the button. Your lights are going to turn off. The button on the controller is going to flash, your lights will turn back on, and the process is completed. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button, and be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with XKGLOW. See you next time.